This video is going to make you some money. What I'm going to do for you, I'm going to break down an 120% return trade that we took on Tesla. And I'm also going to show you a ticker symbol that moves exactly like Tesla. So consider it a more budget-friendly Tesla ticker, okay, in regards to the premium. I'm also going to show you live us actually taking the trade because I want you to see that other individuals were able to catch this also, okay? So my friends, if you could do me a quick favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or go ahead and give me a thumbs up so we can get this video to 1,000 likes, okay? So let's get right into the charts. So we are here on the Tesla chart. So first and foremost, I have levels on my chart here. So one of the ways that I get my levels is one, I draw my level on an hourly chart, and that's what my yellow lines are. I'm gonna give you all a little gem for being here, right? These orange lines are called pivots. I use those as levels also. Those are critical levels. So how you get those on your chart? You go to indicator and then you type in pivot, and pivot point standard is going to come up, and you add that to your chart and you'll get these pivots. So I use these as profit targets, okay? So as a trade is going in my favor, I have levels to take profit because of the fact that trades may bounce, or that the trade may stop, or it may go in the other direction. So I want to get paid for the work I've done thus far. So that's where I have these different levels, okay? What's my thought process in the morning when I saw this Tesla trade? First things first, I have pre-market high as one of my levels. Pre-market high, pre-market low, okay? So right here is pre-market high, right, at 290. And as you can see, the bell opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and it just broke through that. Sometimes, y'all, tickers can stay within the pre-market high for hours or a very long time. So when I saw this strong push, I was like, oh, I see you, Tesla. I'm paying attention to you. Okay, what you want to do. So then we have this pivot level now. Remember that I told you pivot levels are strong levels that it's above price action. It can be a level of resistance, ceiling resistance, right? So here we go. It shot through this pivot level here at 295. That's another one where I was like, okay, now I got two eyes on you, Tesla, okay? So Tesla's moving up to now this next level, okay? This is what we call a psychological level, 300. It's a whole number. What my thought process, and you'll hear it in the video at the end, that I was telling my group or telling my people that this is a strong level. If I see this bad boy break, then I'm very much gonna be inside of Tesla. But I have a weight, y'all, okay? I don't just jump in any old way. Wait, let me pause real quick. If you want to see my screen like this and actually trade with me live and actually hear my thought process, like just like how I'm talking to you in real time, just click the link in my description box. The link to my Discord is down there, okay? All right, so my thought process is if it gets over this 300 level, it could definitely do a thing, all right? So as you can see, this is ORB, which stands for opening range breakout, and we see a break of the ORB and it hung out at the pivot level 1, 2, and then what I see now is a small little flag forming. Let me show you this flag here, okay? So here and here. So what I want to see is a break of this flag and a hold above that level. Not only will I get a hold above the flag, but I'll get a hold above the pivot level, okay? So on this next candle at 9:56, I get what I was looking for, what we call confluence, more than one reason to get in. I have 3 confluence at this time. Broke pre-market high, has a nice trend, broke my flag, and also held above that level. I got 4 confluences actually. So at this point, y'all, I'm entered into the trade here at the 9:46 candle, and my stop loss is simply on the opposite side of that, okay? And remember, you don't get into a trade without a stop loss. You just don't, okay? So now we're in this trade, making these awesome pushes to the upside, getting to our first profit target here at 304.26. Now, what I mean by profit targets, if you can afford to get more than one contract, it's a best practice to do so, okay? So when it comes to Tesla, sometimes their premiums can be high. Premiums is what you have to risk to actually purchase the contracts, right? Or get into the position. So does that mean you have to miss out on trades like this? Absolutely not. I'm going to show you it's a copy, or we call it derivative of Tesla, that the premiums are more affordable. All right, so I told you I was going to show you a ticker symbol that moves exactly like Tesla, but the premiums are more affordable, okay? So the symbol is TSL. TSLL, right? And then when you type that in, this is what's going to come up, right? Daily bull 2 times share, right? So guess what, guys? Look at this. Isn't it looks exactly like the Tesla chart? This is the original Tesla chart, and this is TSLL. Okay. So I had individuals that took Tesla or they took TSLL, but guess what? It's still an 120% return all the way up here. Okay. So I was able to take profit here at this 304.15 level, and then this 307.38 level. Okay. And then as you can see, it bounced down. It found resistance up here. And once it got underneath this pivot level, which I already remember, those are very strong levels, I was fully out of the trade. One, it was Friday. Two, the returns was crazy, and I was quite happy with the day. So I was good for off this trade. So if you like this video and you want to actually learn how to actually use this strategy yourself, go ahead and click the link in my description box, or simply comment the word Discord so you can see my screen and trade with us. Okay. All right. Have a good rest of the day. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you like videos like this, all you have to do, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because I'm going to make more videos like this. So what we're going to do now, you're going to go ahead and watch us actually take that 120% trade live. All right. See you on the next one. So if you caught any of the plays that we took today, can you put a 1 in the chat? We took SPY, we took QQQ, we took Tesla, we took SoFi, we took IWM, we took TSLO, Robinhood. Like, we took a bunch of stuff today. So it was an awesome, awesome Friday. Congrats. What a way to start the weekend. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Y'all did that. Y'all did that.